Hello guys! Welcome back to VIJ TV Official. Guys, nandito tayo ngayon at nabuksan na natin actually. Yan. So anyway, paano natin i-operate? Siyempre, buksan natin. Storage. Ayan. O, diba? Yan siya. At siyempre, tanggalin natin to. Ayan. Tingnan natin kung paano natin ma-operate yan. Ito siguro paglalagyan din. Meron pa dito. Siyempre, tanggalin natin yan. Paano ngayon yan? Ito yung manual niya. Kaya pag-aralan natin. Kaya ito, siguro diyan, o diba, ito yung plastic niya. Kasi, may paglalagyan siya, o diba? Perfect. Ganyan. O, diba? Hindi mo alam kung upside down ba yan o ano. So, yan ang anuhin natin. Pag-aralan natin. Siyempre, place a bag down. Kaya yan. Panlit and place roll into roll storage. Yan. Ayan. Siyempre, i-lift up pala natin. Ganyan. So, ganyan siguro. Hindi ko alam. Yes. I don't know if this is the... Do you have to put this... siguro, mali. Ganyan, guys. Yan. So, we have to lift this. And then like this. Am I right, Vince?
I think so.
Can you double check? Kaya yan.
Place bag on this side.
Ayan guys. O, diba? Sunod, i-ano mo na lang. Kaso, paano i-ano na to pag ano?
No.
Saglit. Figure out natin. Okay guys, yan. Are you sure it's sealed?
Yeah.
As far as I know,
We have to wait until it's...
sealed it first. O hindi siya nagpantay doon sa ano, anak.
That's fine.
Yan, i-warm up natin muna. And then, I told you. No. Ayan guys, sinusubukan natin. Okay, yan yung second attempt namin. Kasi hindi nag-work yung una. Oh, it says sealed. Try second. Ayan. Oh.
I'm going to place the second bag. Put the bag in like this.
And then,
Hold on.
ayan guys. Yan guys, for attempt, not third. Sorry. Yan. Sinusubukan namin kung mag-work.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah, you place it there.
Place it there
A
and then,
little bit. So now it's good. Look, it's good.
2,000 years later. 6.5 hours later. A few inches later. Day 2.
Good now.
okay, now it works.
And
So,
then you have to cut it to how long you want it.
Oh my god!
Because how many pieces are you putting? You have to leave at least 3 to 4 inches.
So how? Okay. Can you pull more? Okay, that's good enough.
You sure?
Yes.
What is that, chicken breast?
Chicken breast. Is it too big? That's good enough.
Because you gotta leave at least 3 to 4 inches, so maybe around there. That much?
Oh, okay. So, okay,
You wanna pull more?
pull. Yeah,
Maybe a little bit like that?
yeah.
Okay.
Yan, ikakat yan. Ayan, o, diba? May cutter siya.
Okay, now you put it in here.
Okay guys, lagay natin yung chicken breast. Actually, nalinis na ito. So, nagdagan pa natin ng isa. Okay. Then next, syempre, punas tayo. Ayan, and then isi-seal na natin. Okay guys, nilagay na ng anak ko. Ayan.
Is this dry? Wait,
Yeah, you just press the vacuum seal there.
but is it dry? Not moist, right?
What do you mean moist?
Like depending. Wait.
Goes lock and lead. It says so, just press the back seal.
Wait, hold on.
Yeah.
Preparation for.
For the meat.
Yeah, let's see.
Ayan guys. Iano natin. Diba? Maingay siya. Pero sinisilk niya na guys. Ayan, tapos na. And then sealed.
The seal indicator.
And then sealed. Vacuum seal. Ano yun?
Okay, now that's good.
That's good. So, bubuksan na ng anak ko. Ayan. Kung talagang na-sealed na siya. Ayan. Is it sealed?
Yeah, that's good.
Oh. O, diba? Yan ang outcome niya, guys. Pero dapat dry siya na.
Dry?
Oh, that's okay kasi you can try the dry later. Kasi moist.
Yeah,
Dapat.
because if you pull out too much moisture, though, no.
Oh, okay.
Because if it leaks juice.
Ang pangalawa natin, guys. Kasi susubukan natin yung dry. Kasi kanina yung moist. Yung humid ba? I-compare natin kung ano. Ayan. O, diba?
Okay, how much do you want it cut?
A little bit more. Oops. That's it.
Because it should be 3 inches, remember.
Yeah, kasi kaunti lang naman. I-dry naman natin
Okay.
yan. Okay. Yan. Okay guys, subukan natin sa dry. Siyempre. Ayan guys. Sinubukan natin yung dry. Kung ayan. We'll see nga. Is that better?
It's not too bad.
It's still the
It's the
same.
same.
Parang magkaparehas lang din sila guys.
Most, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Ayan ang sample niya. Kaya, nasan yung moist anak? Patingin, please. Kasi hindi parang hindi siya na ano. Mas maganda yata to. Yan. Ito yung moist and then ito yung dry. Hindi yata siya na vacuum masyado. Kaya anyway, maraming salamat po sa panonood. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe VIJ TV Official. Ingat po kayo lagi and God bless. Bye!